What's up, Glam Squad? It's Glamorous TT, and I'm here for our next video. This video is something totally different. I am going to be showing you guys the products that I use to maintain my white smile. When I say these products work, I'm a walking testimony. I've never went to the dentist to whiten my teeth at all. I just use these 5 or 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 products and work like magic. As you can see, these are my teeth. I hardly smile, which is, I don't know why. I just feel like I don't have a pretty smile, but everybody has their own insecurities. But one thing I can say about my smile that I really love is my teeth. I love how white they are. Let me not start rambling, because you guys know once I start to ramble, it's over. So the first product will have to be baking soda. Baking soda is like an OG. All your, all our folks to tell you baking soda, baking soda, baking soda, and it's true. Baking soda does work miracles. So I use this sometimes either before I brush my teeth with regular toothpaste or after. Or I might not use toothpaste and I might just use this to brush my teeth. So after I use the baking soda, I have so much toothpaste, you guys, on the regular all the time, and I use all of them. So most of them is like Colgate or Crest. So I have this one, which is the Crest Fresh and White. All of them have to say like sparkling white or something that let me know it's gonna whiten your teeth. So this one is sparkling white, cinnamon. It has a really good flavor. This one is charcoal, max fresh whitening. This one is the optic white, which this one is rated the highest out of all of these toothpastes I'm gonna show you. And this one is the 3D white. Let me correct myself. I did say this one is ranked the top. But I would have to rate for Colgate, this is the top for Colgate. I was about to say Quest. For Crest, I recommend the 3D white stain eraser. This one is good for if you have if you smoke and your teeth is yellow, or if you have drink a lot of coffee. The next products that I have is whitening strips. So I do use Crest whitening strips. I never really saw anything with Colgate whitening strips, but if I do, I would write a review on which ones work best for me. But I love this one, which is the original. This one was the first one I ever used, and this one did its job. But when I tell you about that Crest 3D white, this was no joke, okay? This, I actually saw improvements in 1 day. These two are the best strips ever. I'm not picky when it comes to toothpaste and toothbrush or anything oral. I just like to use Colgate or Crest. Those two are my ultimate best oral hygiene care products. And I'm gonna be showing you, this is the Crest 3D white. I don't know why I want to say Quest, but this is the Crest 3D white mouthwash, and this one is the Colgate optic white. So I don't really be choosy. Like if I'm using this toothpaste, I don't care to, I use all of them, okay, sporadically. So yeah, it has to be Crest or Colgate though. And that's basically it. When I tell you this was a short video, this was a short video. You do not have to pay big bucks going to the dentist, getting that whitening cream, or going through all of that headache. You could just try this at home. If you do want whiter, I can understand if you want fake white, you could go to the dentist. They give you the whitest of white. But if you want that natural white, try these products, okay? They are I know in St. Croix is more pricier than in the States, but I believe in the States this is probably $3 or $4. In St. Croix is more on the pricey side. I probably paid $8 for this, but is still cheaper than going to your dentist and getting whatever whitening products or procedures they have. This is my teeth, and I love my teeth. I always get compliments about my teeth. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.